Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode, I'm just going to give you a quick market update. Now, whatever I say in this video is not financial advice. I'd advise you to do your own research before you buy any cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's dive in. So as you can see here is the Bitcoin chart. Now it is just chopping sideways. As you can see here, the key level here is 67,000. Now it is just around that area right now. I hope this area holds. If not, we will probably see more downside. But I do suspect over the next few days, it will get a bounce and maybe challenge the all-time highs again. I always like to point out the moon phases. So as you can see here, it did have a full moon here on the 23rd of May. And usually what it tells you is to buy on a full moon and then sell on a new moon. So I did highlight this vertical line here on the chart. This is when the next new moon is. So all going to plan. I would like to see Bitcoin maybe challenge the all-time highs, maybe get a reaction there, probably sell off again, and probably bounce up to the upside again. Now that's all going to plan. So if the price action comes back down to the 67,000 level, I might take a long on Bitcoin. But for now, I am just playing wait and see. And again, if the price action loses this key level here, I will be looking for more downside. So the price action might come back down to this 64,200 level. Overall, I remain quite bullish. I think the overall trend is still intact. So this is the Ethereum chart. So the price action is coming in at $3,777. We did get this big massive impulse move here on last week of the approval of the Ethereum ETF. Now the market cap of Ethereum increased more than the actual market cap of Solana. So it just goes to show how much volume came in on that candle there. So the price, so I do hope that this key level here of 3,660 holds as support, as I do feel that the price action might come back down to this level and get a reaction. If it does, then I assume, and if it does, then I probably would put on a long. And if so, I think it will break out of this 4,000 level here that it put in the middle of March. And then hopefully then it will go on to attack the all-time highs, which comes in at 4,800 roughly. So yeah, the key levels is to watch is this line of support here at 3,600. If it does lose this level, then I'll be looking for more downside, possibly to 3,270, as I marked out in this horizontal line here. But if we do look at the, this is Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. So basically it did break out of this downtrend. So essentially it has been on, so Ethereum to Bitcoin has been on a downtrend since the highs of 2021. Now, it did break out. As you can see, it's just starting to break out here and the price is starting to come back down. So it might come down, retest, and then off to the races again. Now, I do suspect with the spot Bitcoin ETF being approved, I do feel that Ethereum now will start to outperform Bitcoin. And this is very good for the altcoins as well too, because usually once we see Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin, this is a good sign for all season. So just moving on here. So we're in a very strange part of the actual market cycle. That is because that the alt season hasn't started, but we still have certain narratives popping off. And there's a new narrative that has just started. I just put out a tweet here there yesterday. Celebrities are now joining Web3 and creating meme coins. In the past few days, we have seen Caitlyn Jenner and Iggy Azalea create their own tokens. On the plus side, this will bring more retail into the space, but on the downside, most people will get wrecked. In my opinion, celebrities don't need to do this. It feels like a quick cash grab. This is a clear signal that the top is near. Be wide. Now, I do, if you've been watching some of my videos, you do know that my thesis is that this cycle will probably top out at the end of 2024, maybe sometime around the election, maybe November. But obviously, if it doesn't and it goes into 2025, all well and good, but I will be strongly taking profits towards the end of the year, as I do feel that this scenario, if it does play out, it will catch everyone off guard, because most people in the space are expecting it for the 4-year cycles to play out and for it to top out maybe sometime in 2025. So with the celebrities joining Web3 and creating their own meme coins, this is not a good look in my opinion. So obviously you can see here from this chart, this is previous celebrities going back through previous cycles that have created cryptocurrencies like meme coins, or just cryptocurrencies in general. So you have Kevin Hart, 6ix9ine, Shaq, Tory Lanez, Ozzy Osbourne. So you can see there's quite a list of celebrities. And as you can see, all their tokens are dead or rugged. So just be very, very careful getting into a celebrity meme coin. Now, I do feel that this trend will probably last for another few weeks. So just be careful and be cognizant of that. So I did read this there. So I did come across this on Twitter today from Bubble Maps. We found huge insider activity on Mother. So Mother is the meme coin that was launched there 2 days ago by Iggy Azalea. So insiders bought 20% of the supply at launch before Iggy made an announcement, and already has dumped $2 million worth of the tokens. So we'll just go through this thread by Bubble Maps. So earlier today, rapper and model Iggy Azalea launched Mother, a meme coin on Solana, following a similar move by Caitlyn Jenner. Don't disappoint your mother. So this is the token address, and this is Iggy here. So wallet G3D1, known as Invincible on pump.fun, bought 109 trillion tokens of Mother, which is 10% of the supply, before splitting it into 7 wallets. Out of these, 89 trillion tokens have already been sold. Realized P&L is 1.4 million. Unrealized P&L is 0.4 million. So you can catch all this on Solscan. Using historical data from Bubble Maps, you can see that the cluster has sold all their tokens. And wallet G3D1, it's kind of ironic that the wallet is called Jeet. Also sent Sol to other highly profitable wallets that made significant returns on Mother, such as these 3 here. Those wallets made 800K by selling 8% of the supply. So more celebrity tokens will come, but remember that most of them end up worthless and are often plagued by insider trading, as you can see from this previous graph that I showed you. So just moving on here, Coach K came out with this tweet just earlier today. Cristiano Ronaldo has launched an NFT on Binance. The new narrative of celebrity-backed project is already starting. I hope Will Smith creates a meme coin called Slap. So obviously he's just joking there, but who knows, cryptocurrency, anything can happen. But there is some bullish news. So Coach K came out with this tweet also earlier today. The US Treasury is finally doing something bullish. What's happening? Starting today, the US Treasury is issuing buybacks. These are the first buybacks since 2002. What does this mean? So when the US Treasury initiates a buyback, they're purchasing outstanding government securities like bonds or security bills from the market. This reduces the amount of debt out there and can pump liquidity into the market or help manage interest rates. This will be a liquidity injection, and what we already seen is M2 monetary supply has flipped positive. Every time that's happened, we've seen crypto rally. Will this time be any different? So if you have seen some of my videos before, you would have heard me talk about the M2 money supply. So basically, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are high out on the risk curve. And we know that Bitcoin and crypto is a function of liquidity. So the more liquidity that there is in the economy, this is good for risk on assets like Bitcoin and crypto. So the more money that's pumped into the economy, this is just really good for price action. So as we can see here on CoinGecko, the top trending cryptocurrencies today are Pepe, Dog. You can see MAGA, the hat, Brett, like obviously Solana, Turbo, MAGA, Dog with hat, and like 9 Heroes. But like majority of the trendy coins are meme coins. Now, this is usually a top signal Well, it has been in previous cycles, but I do think that the market is shifting a little bit, and I do feel that meme coins are here to stay. But I would advise you to just stay away from the celebrity meme coins, as we do all know that all of them before have just gone to zero. But I would be putting my bets on well-established meme coins that have already got an exchange listing. And I do see Pepe and Dog with Hat and maybe some presidential election coins do continue to do well this year anyways. See, a lot of these, you've seen Pepe has put in an all-time high yesterday. And I think Pepe is running very strong due to the fact of, because it's an Ethereum meme coin. It'd probably be one of the top Ethereum meme coins of this cycle. So then Dog then is just a meme coin that's based on a Bitcoin layer 2 on runes. So yeah, like the majority of these are going to continue to do well, in my opinion. Now, I did see this tweet that Binance came out with this statement last week calling for project applications. So Binance is committed to fostering a healthy and sustainable market environment and always prioritizing our users' interest. In recent months, we have observed a trend of tokens launching at high valuations with low initial circulating supply. We addressed this trend and highlighted the implications in our report titled Low Float and High FDV, How Did We Get Here? To foster a healthy industry with a variety of market participants, including projects with lower to medium valuations, Binance is taking the lead to engage small to medium projects. We would like to invite such high-quality teams and projects to apply for our listing programs, including direct listings, launch pools, mega drops, and more. We hope to enhance the development of the blockchain ecosystem through our support to small and medium-sized projects with strong fundamentals and an organic community base, a sustainable business model, and a dedicated team acting as responsible industry participants. So once I read this statement from Binance, the first token that came to mind was the meme coin known as Myro. And obviously, if you're a follower of this channel, you would have heard me talk about Myro a lot, and I'm still quite bullish on the token. So we just go to the chart here. Myro, I like this Myro chart here. It continues to make higher lows and has really respected this trend line as it has moving forward. Now, it did have quite the sell-off from March, but a lot of coins sold off in March. And we did recently see this breakout of this trend line here. And it is continuing to make a nice higher highs and higher lows. Now, I suspect this one will continue to do well. But the reason why I'm bringing it to your attention today is because I do feel that this one will get launched on Binance Spot very, very soon. As you know, that Myro is actually already listed on Binance Futures. So therefore, because it is, if you look at the tokenomics, it has its market cap and fully diluted market cap is the very same. So most of all the circulating supply and total supply is also the exact same. So there's no token unlocks, and the market cap is still quite low in my opinion. It's coming in at 276 million. So in my opinion, I do think that Binance will list this coin because it is, I know it is a meme coin, but it does have organic growth and it doesn't have any token unlocks. So then moving on here. So this is my Twitter page. I will leave a link to this in the description down below this video. It's a lot easier for me to make a tweet than to put out one of these videos. So I'd advise you to give me a follow there. Now, I will be making an updated video on my 1K to 10K trading challenge. I think I'm currently sitting at maybe roughly 1,500. So I'm up $500 since I started this trading challenge. And I do feel that we will see a breakout very, very soon. So I will be making an update video. So if you want to keep an eye on that, please do subscribe and keep the post notifications on and maybe hit the bell as well too. Anyways, guys, that is your market update for today. If you got value of this one, you know what to do. Go down, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.